Good everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to manage the slide size ratio in Google Slides. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you're not familiar with the interface of Google Slides, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Also, if you're interested in watching other tutorials similar to this, we already have a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google software tutorials on our YouTube channel. We also made a beginner's guide or a how-to guide that covers all the brief introduction and the basic features of Google Slides in our YouTube channel as well, so please be sure to check it out. Without further ado, let's get started into the video. Before beginning with anything else, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome you're using, the browser you're using, or anything else that you're using in your computer, either you are using Mac OS or Windows operating system, is completely up to date. And this is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way if we do so. Now, changing the file size ratio or the slide size ratio in Google Slides could be pretty useful, especially if you want to sort of crop the whole surface area of your Google Slides. Let's say, for example, you want it to look like this or look like this. You can do it easily if you follow these easy steps. Now, the first thing that you would like to do, as you can see, we already have a file over here, which is an untitled presentation, as I already just created this. Now, to change the file size ratio or the slide size ratio, head over to the tab section right over here under the file name. As you can see, we got multiple tabs that we can choose from. And from here, all you have to do is to click on the File tab and then head over to Page Setup right over here. Click it once, and as you can see right over here, we got a drop down in which we can choose what our size ratio will be. Now, this will affect the overall slide surface of your Google Slides. Let's say, for example, we want a 4:3. Click on Apply, and now as you can see, it is now a 4:3 file or slide. You can also put in custom sizes right over here. Click on custom, and now as you can see, you can put it in inches, centimeters, pixels, points, and many more. Now, there are already 3 preset over here. We got the widescreen, which is a 16:9, another widescreen which is a 16:10 version, and the standard, which is 4:3. Click on Apply, and now as you can see, we have already saved the changes in our Google Slides file. As simple as that, we can manage the slide size ratio here in Google Slides. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.